Wow, isn't this majestic? We're soaring 400 feet above, well, okay, it looks more like a field right now, but this actually once was a thriving native Hawaiian forest. However, today it's largely covered by invasive and non-native species.
Aloha everyone, my name is Johannes Seidel. I work for Terraformation here in Hawaii. I lead the forestry operations on the island, and we are today at Iole, at the north end of Hawaiʻi Island, where we're going to plant the first trees for our tree subscription. The site is dominated by invasive grasses that we need to remove in order to restore the native forest. The trees you can see in the background are from an abandoned orchard. These are macadamia nut trees here, and we're going to take them out and we're going to bring the native forest back in. Over the next months, we're going to start planting the first round of trees, where we're going to build a perimeter around the parcel to create a hedge out of specific native trees to keep weed seeds from blowing back in. Species include things like milo, kamani, bauke, iliahi, and in total we're propagating about 10 species. And in the fall of 2026, when the next rainy season starts, we're going to be planting this entire site with native plants. It's a very unique partnership between Terraformation and the entity that stewards this land. They're called Iole. In a way, it is a two-community project. This place is owned by an organization that has deep community roots and connections, and we're looking forward to establishing a long-lasting partnership. We also want to say thank you to every subscriber who signed up for us to plant some trees for you. We are immensely grateful that you give us the opportunity to tackle climate change for you. Mahalo.